My name is Ballantyne. I'm with the Sunset Activist Collective. I was at one point a school teacher here in Las Vegas, and I think it's kind of appalling that, here we're doing this during a school day where, teachers working can't make public comment, but so many police officers can come here and tell you how they feel or sit in the room to try and intimidate your vote. I don't teach anymore because I had an encounter with law enforcement, and I spent time 3 days in CCDC for chalking against the police, and that adversely affected my life. But I'm here to tell you that you shouldn't give them their increase because they act like spoiled children. This is the 5th time that this has happened, and I ask you to vote it down again. They've not addressed their murders that they commit, the police, against unarmed people. Not one officer has ever gone on trial in the history of Metro. And, I know it's not just Metro, it's other police departments as well. But, in the recent year, you've had members of law enforcement fired for sexual assault. They kidnap people for ridiculous non-crimes. And for them to say that they need more officers on the streets is just incorrect, because I'm from downtown Las Vegas, and they're everywhere. If anything, you need to set the example and punish them and tell them, until you stop murdering people, until you stop raping people, running over dogs, the list of abuses is too long for me to name. You all remember the case of Trevon Cole shot by Officer Brian Yant, right? What was that? And you're going to sit here and reward them with more money to hire more people? For the former sheriff to come here and invoke ISIS, I mean, that just speaks to how ridiculous they are. And I beg you to address the current problems before you, tackle this issue. There needs to be more time on this matter. Thank you.
Thank you for your comments. Yes, sir.